brake boom just needs to be a hair short longer. Alright, let's get out of here. As you can see, the airport's overcast, so we're gonna probably not fly, but at least get some video footage, maybe even some trail hops. Alright. It's interesting that there's a 100-foot GPS difference. Well, it says that we should be taking off down this end. Alright. That looks like it's recording. Hopefully. That one looks like it's recording too. Alright, well, hopefully. Hopefully I get some audio out of this. We can have some baseline to test against. Alright. It says I have 3/4 of a gallon, 3/4 of a tank. That should be funny for hops and such. Alright, CHT is above 200. We can do some run-ups. Experimentally 081 November Trail Hop runway 10 from left. So here we go. We're taking off runway 10 and this will be a short trail hop. RPM, we're good. Touchdown. So let's go see what the cameras have to say. I realize that this is all of about 7 minutes of footage, but I just want to check it. I want to hear what, if I can hear all of the radios and such, we'll give it a go. Alright. Traffic experimentally 1 November, clear the active from oil.